we are so excited to be here with you at this 2025 World Photographic Cup Awards presentation. Come on, let's go. Just makes a difference now that we're right in the middle. We're right on the equator in this beautiful city of Quito, in this beautiful country of Ecuador.
The World Photographic Cup is a very unique competition, and it's Olympic style, with nation competing against nation in a spirit of friendship and unity. The teams are made up of a maximum of 3 images in each of 10 categories. Those categories are commercial, illustration, natural portrait, illustrative portrait, nature landscape, nature wildlife, reportage, sports, wedding open, and finally, wedding reportage or wedding documentary. Of course, the team with the most points at the end of the judging wins the World Photographic Cup, which means every top 10 finish is crucial.
So I guess you've probably figured it out. Finishing the competition with 12 top 10 finishes is including 2 gold medals, 2 silver medals, and a bronze medal. Team United States.
Muchísimas gracias a todas las autoridades que se encuentran presentes, y esto no hubiera sido posible sin 2 personas que se pusieron la camiseta del Ecuador y nos abrieron las puertas de este hermoso país, de esta hermosa ciudad y de esta hermosa provincia. Y es el alcalde de Quito, Pavel Muñoz, y nuestra señora perfecta, Paola Pavón, a quien le invito a que nos acompañe.